Tammy Slaton, one of the most talked about stars from TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, is once again at the center of fan concern after appearing in new photos and videos with what looked like bruising on her face. The reality TV personality, who has been in the spotlight for years due to her weight loss journey, health struggles, and personal ups and downs, has worked hard to turn her life around since undergoing bariatric surgery. However, her latest appearance has sparked worry among fans who closely follow her every move, wondering whether the markings on her face are a sign of something serious. The buzz began when Tammy uploaded a short clip on social media, looking slimmer and more confident than ever, but eagle-eyed fans couldn't help but notice the discoloration near her cheek and under her eye. Comments quickly flooded in across platforms, with many asking if Tammy had suffered an injury or if there was another explanation for the marks. Some fans speculated that she might have accidentally hurt herself, while others wondered if it could be a skin condition, medication side effect, or even something as simple as makeup. Because of Tammy's long and public medical history, including her battles with obesity, infections, pneumonia, September cysts, and even near-death experiences in the past, viewers naturally tend to fear the worst when any new health-related issue surfaces. Her journey has always been emotional, with both triumphs and setbacks, and this latest situation has only added to the concern. Supporters filled the comment sections with heartfelt words, with one fan writing, "Tammy, we just want to make sure you are okay. Please take care of yourself." Another added, "You've come so far, don't let anything bring you down. We're worried about that bruise though." In the past, Tammy has been candid about her health scares and often chose to address rumors head-on. Fans remember when she revealed details about her hospitalization after her lungs collapsed, explaining how close she came to losing her life. This transparency has made her followers both protective and deeply invested in her well-being. While Tammy has not yet directly responded to questions about her facial bruise, her silence has only fueled speculation. On one hand, some argue that as a public figure, Tammy knows how much attention even small details about her life will attract, and therefore she may be waiting for the right time to explain. On the other hand, others believe she is entitled to privacy, especially if the situation is personal and related to her health. This isn't the first time Tammy's appearance has caused waves online. Over the years, every transformation, outfit, hairstyle, or noticeable mark has become a topic of conversation. Fans have watched her drop hundreds of pounds, show off new clothing styles, and experiment with hair colors, each time sparking chatter across social media. The difference this time, however, is that concern outweighs admiration, and it highlights how closely viewers follow her story. Some supporters have suggested that Tammy may simply be experiencing something minor like a skin sensitivity, given that weight loss patients often deal with nutritional adjustments, medication changes, and other side effects that can impact their skin. Others wondered if the bruising might have resulted from a recent cosmetic procedure, since Tammy has openly considered skin removal surgery and dental work following her weight loss. Until she provides clarity, the guessing game continues. Meanwhile, Tammy's family, including her sister Amy Slaton, brother Chris Combs, and other relatives, have remained active in their own social media updates but have not commented on Tammy's latest appearance. Fans who are used to the Slaton siblings sharing personal details about their lives have been scanning their posts for any indirect hints. Amy recently uploaded pictures with her kids and appeared cheerful, while Chris has been proudly showcasing his own post-surgery transformation. Their silence on Tammy's bruise is adding to the mystery, leaving fans to wonder if they're respecting her privacy or if the issue simply isn't as alarming as viewers think. Tammy's journey has always been about resilience. At over 700 pounds during the early seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, she struggled with mobility, breathing, and even the will to keep going. Fans watched her rely on oxygen tubes, use a wheelchair, and face devastating medical emergencies that landed her in rehab facilities for extended stays. Many doubted she would survive, let alone achieve the massive weight loss she has now. But through determination, surgeries, and lifestyle changes, Tammy has become a success story, inspiring many who face similar battles. That's why seeing a seemingly small issue like a bruise creates such a strong reaction, Supporters don't want to see her health compromised after everything she's fought through. Social media has also amplified the situation, with TikTok, Reddit, and Facebook fan groups buzzing with theories. On Reddit, one commenter wrote, "It might be nothing serious, but after everything she's been through, you can't blame us for being concerned." Another fan pointed out that the lighting in Tammy's video could have made the mark appear darker than it really was. Still, others cautioned that bruises can sometimes signal underlying conditions, especially for someone who has undergone surgery and takes medication. The debate has even attracted casual viewers who don't follow the show closely but stumbled across the viral images. TLC has not issued any statement, and production insiders haven't hinted at whether the bruise will be addressed in future episodes. Fans know that 1000 LB Sisters often covers sensitive personal struggles, from Amy's motherhood journey to Tammy's recovery in rehab, and it wouldn't be surprising if the bruise became a storyline in upcoming seasons. For now, the mystery lingers, and fans are left to speculate while hoping Tammy is safe and healthy. At the heart of all this concern lies the deep emotional connection viewers feel with Tammy. From the very beginning, she has been raw and real, showing her struggles with addiction, food dependency, relationships, and even self-acceptance. Her vulnerability created a loyal fan base that wants to protect her from harm, both physically and emotionally. Bruises, weight fluctuations, or personal drama, none of it goes unnoticed when it comes to Tammy Slaton. While some might dismiss the chatter as overreaction, the reality is that Tammy's journey has become symbolic for many. She represents hope, survival, and the possibility of change against all odds. To see her possibly hurt in any way naturally sparks alarm. For now, fans can only wait for Tammy to either confirm what happened or simply reassure everyone that she's okay. Whether the mark was caused by a minor accident, a health-related issue, or something cosmetic, supporters are ready to stand by her side as they always have. Until then, every new photo and video she shares will continue to be examined closely, as viewers root for her to keep thriving. Tammy Slaton's story has never been simple, and her path forward will likely include more triumphs and challenges. But if history is any indication, she won't let speculation stop her. She has proven time and again that she is stronger than most people ever imagined, and even a small bruise can't overshadow the bigger picture of her remarkable transformation. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.